Lava has launched its new mid-range Agni series phone in India called Lava Agni 4, with all new AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Agni 4 features a tall 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2400 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Lava Agni 4 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. At the front it has 50-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with Samsung's JN1 sensor, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 66 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.68 by 75.34 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Agni 4 has been priced in India at 22,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from November 25th, in Phantom Black and Lunar Mist color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Agni 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.